To speed up this process, I got my trusty hair dryer here, and I'm just gonna freaking torch this thing with air, and it's gonna make these wood logs catch a lot faster. So watch this. See, it's already, woo! It's hot. I had to back away, that was so hot. And we should get these wood logs caught aflame here soon. And just like that, we got a fire.